using min, max, sum with numbers and lists. First, go to brackets and create a list. For example, list num, and add any numbers such as from 1 to 10. Then print min with its parentheses and put the list name, which is list num, inside min's parentheses. Try that in terminal. Very good, it's printed the minimum number in the list, which is 1. Alright, now try the word max instead of min and see what it shows in terminal. Cool, number 10 is the maximum number in the list. But now use the word sum. That will add all the numbers in the list together and it will give you the total. Great. Number 55 is the sum of all the numbers in the list. Good job. Thank you so much.